What's up, guys? This is CI from TTG showing you our reflow tutorial. Now, as you can see, we have our thermocouplers hooked up to our GPU to measure the close reading. Now we're at a good distance where the GPU under the flux is smoking, so we're going to turn on our board, our top heater with an air pressure of 5, and we're going to go up till our thermocoupler says 165. As you can see, it's going up pretty quickly. And for there, we're going to hold that for a minute. And you can see that we cleaned it off. Preheaters are good, hot. It's going back up now. And actually I have to erase this because it looks like it's not getting hot enough. Alright, so we have our setup here. We have our station board with hot air gun. We have a griddle with some screws to hold it in. And we have our coupler. And it's getting this way there slowly but surely. So, as you can see, my reading on there is terrible compared to what the thermocoupler says, which is really good to have a thermocoupler. As you can see, it's terrible. It's not even accurate to where it says on the thermocoupler. And I got mine with 2, so we'll have an accurate reading on both sides. I suggest that too. So we're at a good temperature now. I'm just going to time it for a minute real quick. The next degree is going to be 191. And that's going to be coming close. And I'm pretty, let me search. I'm not actually sure. When does solder, lead-free solder melt? Oh, wait, it's been a minute now, so let's turn this up till it gets 191. I'm gonna get up there. Let me type it in better. So, lead-free solder melts at 217 degrees Celsius. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get up to there for, I would say, about a minute. And my coupler is being really not good right now. See, it's going up and down and up and down. So I got to reposition it real quick. Alright, now it's going back up. So let's sit here for 1 second. Alright, we're going to turn it up. Okay, our thermocouple is going up at a good rate. I don't know if you can see, but the thermocoupler, I put some aluminum tape under it so it doesn't get hot enough, you know what I mean? And I tried to put it as close to the chip as possible. And we're going to go up a little bit. I'm just going to move the coupler real quick. Let's go up a little bit. It's taking a long time to raise to this degree. I don't know why. Oh, wait, there it goes. It's almost there. Once you reach the degree, you're going to want to keep it there for 20 to 30 seconds. And that will secure a good reflow. And what I suggest is when you're done, like getting to around 225, 235, you don't want to like burn out the chip. But when you get that high after you're done with your time, you're going to want to lower the the hot air, and you're going to want to lower the griddle. So once the thermocoupler says it's under 200 degrees Celsius, then you shut off your preheater and your top heater, and then you're going to let it cool down, and that will secure a good reflow. And what I suggest is when you're done reflowing, that you just completely leave the room, because right after you are reflowing, if you bang the table or anything, you feel it make big vibrations, then it could really affect the board, because the solder balls underneath are semi-liquid, and if you bang it, then some of them can bridge, some of them can join, and that would not be a good thing. And okay, once I just reached 200, now we're going to lower it. Lower the griddle here. It's dropping right now. Oh, I just burned my thermocoupler. Alright, so now it's under. I'm going to turn off my griddle. Turn off my top heater. Turn all my air pressure off. Now I'm going to leave it here, turn the power off. My thermocoupler. And I'm going to let this cool down, and I'll see you in a bit. Peace.